For that, first we will create a virtual environment, because it is a good practice to create virtual environment for each of the Python project. So we will also create the virtual environment first, and then we will install the Python turtle inside that environment itself. And for that, the Python 3 should be installed in your machine. And to verify whether it is installed or not, you can write this particular command on the terminal, which is python 3 space -- version. And if you get the output something like this, this particular version might be different, but you should not get any error, then which would mean the Python is installed in your machine. Otherwise, you can refer another video to install Python, and the link of that video you would find in the description below. Let's now create the virtual environment, and for that we will move to the folder where we want to create that environment. And for this video I would move to the downloads folder, because that's where we want to create the virtual environment for now. And here I would run one command to create the virtual environment, which is python 3 space -m and venv, which stands for virtual environment. And now I would give the name of the virtual environment which I want to create. So let's suppose I want to create turtle underscore install. So this environment I want to create. So the environment is created now. Let me show you in the downloads directory as well. Here you would see this turtle underscore install directory is there, and inside that these are the files and folders are present. Now in order to use this particular environment, we will have to activate this first, and for that we will have to source one file which is present inside this bin directory. So this is the file, this activate file we will have to source in our terminal. And for that I will go again to the terminal, and here I would say source, and I would give the absolute path of that particular file. And for that I would say the turtle underscore install. Let me correct the spelling. And inside that bin is there, so I would say bin, and I would write the activate. So, and now I will hit enter. So you would see this type of turtle underscore install is written here, so which means this particular environment is activated now. Let's now go ahead and install the Python turtle here. So we will use the pip command here. So I would say pip install, and I would say Python turtle. So I would write Python turtle, and I would hit enter now. So the download is completed. So as you can see, this message also successfully installed. So let's verify whether it is installed properly or not. So let's now list down all the packages in this particular environment, which is turtle underscore install, and we would say pip list here, and this will list down the packages. So here we would see this Python turtle, which has this version 0.3.2. and to go out from this virtual environment I would say deactivate here, so that this particular environment will be deactivated and we will move out from this virtual environment. So I would write deactivate and hit enter. So now we are out of this virtual environment. I hope the video was useful to you.